All right, going to do a very, very quick review of the Surface Hub here. A lot of people are feeling, or people at least that are involved in Lync Skype for Business are feeling like this is a Lync Room system replacement. But when you're in front of it, it really feels like something different. And that is what Microsoft is calling it, a collaboration device. Use it to scribble things up, and also as a you can do meetings as well. The cameras they're mounted in the sides. I think you can see that. There's also one on the other side, and they are they're not tilt pan zoom or anything like that, but they do switch. If you're on the left side, it knows you're there, and that camera gets you. And if you're on this side, very wide angle, so if you're standing up against the screen, it works fine. And what I'm going to do is get the collaboration going here. And this one did start Skype for Business call, but you really could just use it to go in a OneNote as well. So over here we'll see that we're in a call, and we're going to kind of see ourselves. And they have a special skinned version of Skype, and you'll notice if I walk up here, I'm within a foot of the screen, and I'm very visible. And the camera on the left is getting me, but if I walk over here and I talk, which you can't see it, but it actually switched to this camera over here. And maybe what I'll do, and I don't know, you can't see it real good here, but I'm going to close that call. And I'm going to say I'm done. And you'll see the black border around the edge. Yes, clear my... And really, the border around the edge is kind of like, and I'm not backing up far enough here, but as soon as it gets done, it really, all the apps run inside that. I'm going to just go whiteboard. And here you see, I guess you can't see it. I got to back up a little farther. Or you can see it down here on the edge. So you have that 12 p.m. and there's a black edge, and the apps seem like right now OneNote is running inside that. And it seems like only universal apps run on this. And here you have, so this edge runs around it, and the universal app runs inside of it, and you have kind of these shortcuts. It seems like, and there we have a copy shortcut, but they're kind of like think of it as the edge of Windows, because down here we have the start menu. I forget what that one was. That's to actually change applications if you have more than one running. Oops, I went and closed OneNote. But it's really, you run apps on this thing. Windows 10 with a kind of special skin or UI running. So I'm not sure if I showed on this side, we have some buttons. It looks like power, audio, volume, and looks like a USB in. We have the pen there. And why don't I wrap this up by saying I'm done and letting it, yes, clear my files and exit. All right.